Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's a pleasure to talk to you today. Hope you're all doing great with trading families, because of course some of you traders have families. Hope they are doing great. Today guys, I'm here again. Today is a Sunday, and as you know, Sundays I usually do video forecast for the upcoming week, and the recent forecast didn't go as we expected, and I won't say that we failed because we never lost anything apart from those who execute without any confirmations. Because for Euro USD we were expecting it to drop to a certain POI, but it retraced up instead. But still I'm looking for the same trade because market had closed while me and my Telegram members were already in the Euro USD sell, and we are holding it right now. Today is 1st December, and if you're not on a hurry, I expect you to be chill and calm, since it's a festive season and no much volatility in the market as usual, because all the investors are off and the market has no enough liquidity, blah blah, all that. So guys, before we go any more further with the video, I would like to talk about some psychological part about trading. As you know, I always want to give some helpful insights, share ideas, because we all humans after all. Because there is someone out there who needs the exact advice I'm sharing right now here. So if you don't need this, you may skip the video to the analysis part. So today guys, I wanna talk about the power of patience, and this is the trader's most valuable asset. Take note. This is a crucial aspect of a successful trading, and it's often getting overlooked. What is its importance? And in particular, patience is the ability to wait for the right moment to enter and exit a trade. In Forex terms, it's about resisting the temptation to act impulsively and instead waiting for the market to align with your strategy. I always talk about this, so it's very important. Impulsive trading can lead to significant losses, emotional stress, and a blow to your confidence. On the other hand, patient trading can help you avoid unnecessary risk, conserve capital, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Guys, take that note seriously, because it has cost me a lot, and if I say I mean it. So how can one practice to be patient? And this has helped me a lot. It may help you also if you're out there struggling. Number one, taking breaks and step away from the screen. This helps a lot, and it's essential to do it because it clears and freshens your mind. It helps to recharge and gain a fresh perspective. But the more you keep on resisting and keep on trading, for example, since we are in December, a lot of midway traders and beginners are gonna keep on trading no matter the market condition. But still, I'm telling you, don't. If the market are not in a good condition, it's okay to do nothing. You lose nothing in doing nothing, guys. Number two, just develop a trade plan and stick to it. And if you were to make a trading plan, guys, make it simple for you to understand. Guys, you are making this plan for your own good, not someone else. It's you. So don't make it so complicated. It's for you and for your own good. Okay, I hope you understand me. I won't go any more further. I'll stop here and let's move on to the forecast video. Take the knowledge or leave it. Hello guys, and here we are again, and today we're here with USDJPY. This is the monthly time frame, and as usual, God effects always lets you to apply your knowledge and strategy such that you can guess the direction before I apply mine. So guys, here we are at the monthly time frame, and what do you see here? Guys? So I think I'm going to start. So guys, here we are, and since this is a very big time frame, so we just focus on the current data. We don't need all this unless we want to get a string. But if as we intradays, we just focus here on this recent data. So guys, as we can observe right here, we see here, and we see we have that this big imbalance right here, and the previous, this was September, came to retest its mini thresholds right here. And for November, as it ended yesterday, it ended on Friday for this candle. So as it ended, you can observe, I'll zoom in for you guys. I'll zoom in for you. You can see that before this November candle turned to bearishness, it first took the September's high, as you can see, and with that it filled up this whole imbalance right here. And this trick always works, as you can see here. I'll show you an example here, that if we are to have a certain reversal, we have to first expect this reaction, as you can see below here, that in order for us to have this retracement, we had to first get a candle, a recent candle strip, a previous candle strip, as you can see here, that this current candle first stripped this low for this candle. I don't know which month it was, because I don't want to waste a lot of time explaining, but you can see it stripped this low, then it reversed, it closed bearish. But of course, after we see this, we just know what's next, and we had this retracement right here, and with that we had this breaker block. And I think this was a unicorn model, as you can see that we had imbalance inside the breaker, so it had to call for this retracement. And here is the next example. This recent candle's high was stripped, then we had a reversal, and I'll show you more. One more. Okay, it's not always perfect, but if you see, you can't never unsee it. So you can see here, this recent candle's low was stripped, then we had a reversal, plus we had an imbalance here together with this order block. So you can see here we had this candle's low taken out, then we had a very big push. So it's the same thing we should expect here. So let's drop to the weekly time frame. All right, here we are, guys, and this is so far the dealing range we have to deal with. This is the range we have to deal with so far, and we can see that here we had a strip on liquidity. These two lows were taken out, then we had a market structure shift. With that, it made a breaker block in within the range, and this range, it's not the major dealing range, but it's also a minor one, so we can deal with it also. So you can see that with this breaker, this range also provided an imbalance right here. But if at some point, once we have a breaker with a market structure shift, price won't retest to the imbalance, the lowest imbalance below. So we will just wait for a breaker, but remember, for this higher time frame, for the monthly time frame, we had already filled this imbalance and retested it in this breaker block. This, I'll consider this. You can also consider this little one, but I'll take the main one, the major one. So I'll take you back a little bit to show you this imbalance, guys. We have this imbalance, because remember this candle has already closed. Today is 1st December. So we have this imbalance, and what we shall anticipate, I will anticipate for a retracement into this. And if I extend this imbalance, you can see that we have a BPR in the area. So this BPR is a main, and since we have already swept this candle's high, so we shall anticipate for a strong drop. So this is our anticipation. I'll delete the BPR, the monthly BPR, and remain with this for now. So you can see this FVG. So we shall anticipate for price to retrace to at least 50% of this breaker, or to retest this FVG, the weekly FVG. So that is our anticipation for now, for now, guys. Okay, so I think I have broken down for you, and you have got everything, every single. And lastly, guys, if I apply my OTE, my Fibonacci OTE retracement, you can see that, remember, we are dealing with this dealing range for now, and you can see how this retracement was accurate with the 70.5% Fibonacci retracement, and this is the golden zone. Those who use OTE already know. So you can see how accurate it was. So we are anticipating for a drop until this. So this upcoming week should drop up to here. So our main emphasis is a drop. Okay, it's a drop here, retrace, then we might get some we may get some little consolidations in the area, because these are our PD arrays also. But since we are following the higher time frame, we should the higher time frame is showing us it's a drop. That's the monthly time frame, it's a drop. But we also, since we have the weekly PD arrays that could hold price, so the higher time frame should drive it a drop, should call it a drop, but the weekly should also resist. So that may cause a up and down movement, and that is a consolidation. But with time it will break it, maybe retest to it and drop. Okay, and if I zoom in for you guys, you can come to realize that we have got this imbalance that has just been violated with the previous week's candle, and together with this intermediate term low that has been violated, making it a market structure shift. So where is your preferred direction, guys? Drop it down to the comment section. And if I'm to show here, you can see here that our OTE zone is here, is right here. Okay, it's right here, and so our calling for the drop is accurate right here. It's accurate. So guys, I hope I have explained everything, everything you could like, you would need, and that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, put me to 400 please, and please. God did effects. I sign out.